Hey everyone, want to switch Instagram to dark mode or back to light mode? Let me show you how to change the theme. Alright, so first open Instagram on your Android phone. You'll land on your home feed. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then tap those three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Now you should be on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap Theme. If you don't find the theme option, search for Accessibility. Tap on it after you find it. Then tap on Theme or Dark Mode. Here you'll see three options: Light, Dark, and Use Device Settings, or On, Off, and System Default. Light mode gives you the classic white Instagram look. Dark mode switches everything to black and gray, easier on your eyes at night. Use device settings is pretty cool. It automatically switches Instagram's theme based on your phone's system theme. So if your phone goes dark at night, Instagram does too. Just tap whichever option you want. The theme changes instantly, no need to restart the app or anything. Personally, I love dark mode at night because it's way easier on the eyes and saves battery on phones with OLED screens. Want to switch back? Just go through the same steps and pick a different theme. And that's it. Super easy way to customize Instagram's appearance and switch between light and dark mode on your Android phone.